Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Capcut to your TikTok account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have logged into your TikTok account on your mobile phone. And I'm going to open up my TikTok. And this is the TikTok account I want to connect to. Okay, and then we're going to open up the Capcut and connect our Capcut to this TikTok account. I'm going to open up Capcut. Wait, okay, it's here. Okay, and here you need to sign in to the Capcut application using your TikTok account. You can go to this icon and you can tap to sign in here. All right, and here, since we want to connect our Capcut to TikTok, we can choose login to TikTok. And right after we tap on that option, our Capcut will be connected to the TikTok account automatically. Okay, all right, and now my Capcut has been linked or connected to TikTok. So here I'm going to view my profile and see my profile here. And as you can see, after we have connected our Capcut to TikTok, we will get this button and people can visit our TikTok account through our Capcut account. Okay, and let me try it. I'm going to tap on my TikTok. Okay, and as you can see, the Capcut bring me to my TikTok account. So if there is someone who visit your Capcut account, they will be able to open up your TikTok account as well. They will be able to visit your TikTok profile. Okay, and if you want to customize your profile, you just need to go to edit profile, and here you can change your nickname, Capcut ID, and you can also add your YouTube link here if you want. Just click on this add button if you want to add your YouTube information. Okay, and this is for my TikTok account. If you want to unlink, you can simply click on this TikTok option and you will get this menu and just tap on unlink. And then your Capcut will be disconnected to TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to connect Capcut to TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!